This week in AI was packed with massive updates, from OpenAI's newest tools and multimodal breakthroughs to global regulations, controversies, and real-world transformations. Let's dive into everything that happened in the world of artificial intelligence in just 7 minutes. The AI landscape is shifting faster than ever, with major players locked in a relentless race for supremacy. This quarter was no exception, marked by a series of groundbreaking releases that are fundamentally reshaping how we interact with technology. From autonomous agents to hyper-realistic video generation, the future isn't just coming, it's being deployed right now. Kicking things off, OpenAI made a significant leap towards digital autonomy with its new agent kit. This framework allows developers to build AI agents capable of executing complex, multi-step tasks across different apps and websites. Imagine an agent that can research travel options, book flights, and add the itinerary to your calendar from a single command. Powering this is an updated codex model with enhanced reasoning, allowing these agents to navigate digital environments with precision, shifting from passive assistants to proactive partners. But OpenAI wasn't done. They also stunned the creative world with Sora 2. This next-gen text-to-video model moves beyond short clips, generating high-fidelity, minutes-long cinematic scenes with remarkable narrative coherence. To showcase this, OpenAI launched Canvas, a new social platform for AI-generated video. It's a space for creators to share their Sora-powered films, collaborate on prompts, and push the boundaries of digital storytelling, creating a new genre of media. Rival Anthropic fired back with Claude Sonnet 4.5. Positioned as their most intelligent model yet, its standout feature is multi-hour reasoning. Sonnet 4.5 can maintain a coherent train of thought over long interactions, making it ideal for tackling complex problems. For developers, this means analyzing entire codebases to find bugs. For researchers, it can digest and synthesize hundreds of pages of documents, providing nuanced insights from a massive context window. Microsoft brought this agentic power to its productivity suite with Agent Mode for Word and Excel. Integrated into the Copilot sidebar, it chains AI tasks across applications. For example, you could ask it to summarize this Word doc, extract the key figures, and create a chart in a new Excel spreadsheet. The agent executes the entire workflow autonomously, turning simple commands into complex cross-application actions and making the 365 ecosystem far more intelligent. In the battle for the smart home, Amazon rolled out a new line of Alexa Plus devices. These are powered by a significantly upgraded conversational AI that can handle more natural, compound queries and maintain context across conversations, moving away from rigid, one-shot commands and making interactions feel much more fluid. Not to be outdone, Google launched Gemini for Home, deeply integrating its powerful model into the Nest ecosystem. This enables proactive and predictive control, where your home can anticipate your needs, like adjusting the thermostat before you arrive, or suggesting a lighting scene based on the time of day, creating a truly responsive environment. From autonomous agents to creative AI and homes that think for us, the pace of innovation is staggering. Each update is a building block for the next era of computing, blurring the lines between the digital and physical worlds. The only question left is, what comes next? In research, Google DeepMind has unveiled Dreamer v4, a major step towards more general AI. This agent learns entirely within a self-generated virtual world model. Think of it as an AI that can dream up its own training ground, allowing it to master complex, long-horizon tasks, millions of times faster and more safely than in the real world. By simulating countless scenarios, Dreamer v4 learns skills like intricate robotic manipulation without ever breaking a physical object. This breakthrough creates more capable agents that can plan and adapt, pushing the boundaries of autonomous systems. In cybersecurity, a new guardian has emerged, ATLANTIS. This hybrid AI system automatically finds and fixes software vulnerabilities by merging the broad understanding of large language models with the precision of traditional code analysis. ATLANTIS scans code, identifies subtle security flaws that humans might miss, and then generates a precise functional patch to fix the issue, even automating the pull request for review. This could revolutionize software security, acting as a tireless digital expert that hardens our digital infrastructure against attack, one line of code at a time. And none of this is possible without the hardware backbone, where the AI arms race is intensifying. AMD is challenging NVIDIA's dominance with ROCm 7.0, its updated open-source software platform, unlocking more GPU performance for AI. Meanwhile, Intel has thrown down the gauntlet with its Gaudi 3 AI accelerator, promising superior performance and easier scaling for massive AI clusters. Underscoring the immense investment, specialized chipmaker Cerebras continues to build on its massive funding, proving the industry is betting big on novel architectures to power next-gen AI. OpenAI hits 500B valuation after secondary share sale. New deals with Samsung and SK Hynix to boost chip manufacturing. Amazon, Google, and Microsoft ramp up AI cloud infrastructure investments. In a move to slash administrative overhead, the Chula Vista Police Department is rolling out Draft One, a groundbreaking AI tool from Axon. This system taps directly into bodycam audio, transcribing interactions and automatically generating preliminary incident reports. The goal is to free up officers from hours of tedious paperwork, allowing them more time for community engagement. It's a powerful example of AI tackling a major bottleneck in public safety, putting officers back on the street. The world of e-commerce is getting a major AI upgrade as eBay integrates ChatGPT Enterprise. This powerful co-pilot helps sellers automate the creation of compelling product listings from a single photo, generating catchy titles and detailed descriptions. It even analyzes market trends to suggest optimal pricing. This levels the playing field, allowing smaller sellers to craft professional, high-converting listings in a fraction of the time, turning their smartphone into a sophisticated marketing tool. In Texas, the classroom of the future is taking shape. School districts are piloting a hybrid model where students spend mornings with AI tutors on tablets. These systems deliver personalized lessons in core subjects, adapting to each student's unique pace. Then, in the afternoon, human teachers take over, mentoring small groups in collaborative projects that foster critical thinking and social skills. It's a bold experiment in using AI to augment, not replace, our invaluable human educators. Finally, Google offers a glimpse into the future of ambient computing with Gemini for home. This moves beyond simple voice commands to create a truly proactive smart home. By learning your patterns from your calendar and location, Gemini anticipates your needs. Imagine arriving home as the door unlocks, lights adjust, and the oven preheats for dinner, all without a single command. It's a system designed to fade into the background, managing your environment predictively and seamlessly. California passes the AI Transparency Law, SB 53. Companies must report AI safety incidents. Meta faces backlash for using chatbot data in ad targeting. AI actress Tilly Norwood sparks debate on replacing human performers. Copyright worries rise around Sora 2 using unlicensed imagery. This week proved AI is evolving faster than ever, from agents and automation to ethics and hardware. Next week, expect Google Gemini 2 tests, OpenAI API pricing updates, and EU AI Act progress. Subscribe and stay ahead of the future of AI.